Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Microsoft account. So if you want to do that, first of all, open any browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Then type for Microsoft account. And then go to this option. Now write an email. After that, click to next. Now choose a password. Now click to next again. Select your date of birth and then click to next again. Write your first and last name and then again click to next. After that, click to next. Now prove you're human. Press and hold. Now click to OK. Again OK. Skip now. Yes. And that's it. I think this is helpful for you. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.